Hello everybody, my name's Andrew from BrickMeisterZ, and since LEGO released the Disney Pixar Luxo Jr Lamp idea set, many fans speculate that the light bulb will light up using a light brick. The bulb does reveal the Pizza Planet truck as one of the references found in this set, but it unfortunately does not light up. The only reason that there's no light brick is due to a legal settlement between Luxo ASA, who is the manufacturer of lamps, and Pixar Animation Studios. So what did I do to fix the light bulb? I bought a light kit from BrickBling that lets you light up your LEGO sets. This happened right after I built the Pixar lamp and made a review video about it. So opening up the BrickBling box, you get 4 numbered bags for different light parts, a pair of tweezers, and a book that tells you how to access the instructions. To access them, go to www.lightingmanuals.com and then type in both the light kit's model number and the LEGO set number as seen on the back of the box. Once you have found the correct model number, you can follow the instructions by watching a video or loading up a PDF file. The LEGO Pixar Lamps light kit has suggestions for choosing one of 4 versions to light up the bulb, including Classic, Remote Control, Light Control, and Touch. I decided to choose the Touch version because most desk lamps like this had an on and off switch, rather be rotating a knob on the back of the lampshade or pressing a button on the base to power up the bulb. Here's how to light up the LEGO Pixar Lamps light bulb using a light kit. I first took out the bulb in the lampshade and removed the Pizza Planet truck reference. I started wiring the light kit's bulb through the center hole of the round 6x6 plate. I added a Technic axle connector pin on the bottom. On the top, I added the transparent round 2x2 plate and a Technic bush piece, and I covered up the top using the light kit's separate dome part. Next, I took out the top half of the lampshade and sticked the touch sensor plate on the inside. And then I connected the bulb once again and put the lampshade's top half back on to make sure each of the wires are not tangled up. I uncovered the Coco reference by removing some pieces, like a 2x3 tile, which tells me to fit the touchpad underneath. After that, I carefully connected the wires to 2 different expansion boards found on the swing arm. And finally, you can now light up the light bulb by using a USB power cord to plug into devices like a phone charger. Or you can use a battery box that lets you put in 3 AAA batteries because they're not included. And when you touch the Pixar lamp's base with your finger, the light bulb lights up. I loved how this turned out. And this is accurate to a real desk lamp. You can even leave the background lights on or turn them off when you move the lamp around. That's how the LEGO Pixar lamp lights up, thanks to BrickBling, who modified the bulb. You can check out the BrickBling website at brickblingtoy.com, and the link is in the description of this video. Let me know what you think about this light kit in the comments below. Please subscribe to BrickMeisterZ by turning on notifications so that you don't miss out on any videos. And don't forget to check out my review of the LEGO Ideas Pixar Lamp set before I order the light kit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.